Hello. In this video, we want to explain to you about the conductor and show you the internal components of the conductor. And I will explain about the elements inside the conductor, so stay with me until the end. Well, this device is a conductor, and we want to open this device completely to see the internal component of this device. Conductors mediate of the connection between the power circuit and the common circuit. The white power is the conductor control circuit, and this black part is the conductor power circuit. In the power circuit, we connect the L1, L2, and L3 from the network to this part, and from this lower part, they connect T1, T2, and T3 to U1, V1, W1 of the motor. This device is a part of the conductor control circuit where the conductor coil is controlled through A1. When we connect A1 to the coil in the common circuit and connect A2 to the neutral, active coil and the power contacts sticks together. When the coil power is cut off, the power contacts open with the spring inside this conductor and the power circuit is cut off. In the control circuit, there are two auxiliary contacts. On one is the normally open and the other is normally closed. Normally open or NO means normally open and NC means normally closed. When the conductor coil is open, normally open is open, and when it is closed, the NO is closed. When the conductor coil is open, NC is closed, and when it is closed, NC is open. Conductors up to 25 amps have a normally open and normally closed auxiliary uh, contact. More than 25 amps have a 2 or 3 auxiliary contact. Now we will open this conductor to explain the internal components of these conductors. A base has this part and a base has this part. If you open the two, as you can see, the conductor consists of two E-shaped cores, one of which is fixed or another is flexible. When the coil power is activated, these two E-shapes cores attract each other and cause the power contacts of the conductor to sell. And when the coil power is cut off, the conductor is separated from each other by a spring. Now, if we take this out, here is the conductor coil winding. Uh, that if we remove this glow, this is the wire wrapped around this. When the power A1 is activated, this coil is energized and creates a magnetic field and cases these two E-shaped cores to attract each other. That this E-shaped core is the fixed part and the E-shaped core is the moving part. Yeah, the plastic located here prevent the slipping and insulted the E-shaped core. That you place this core here and you place this bobbin on the E-shape. Here there are electric plates which are connected to this coil is by these two turns, and practically the electricity or the bobbin is connected. In this way, this is placed inside the conductor, which is placed on the conductor in this way. The next things I will try to explain in a separated video. The short circuit loop in the fixed on the E-shaped core. This short circuit ring is very important here, and if this ring is not here, this contactor will not work properly. I will explain this to you in the full video, and we test the contactor without a short circuit. Well, in this video, we saw the internal components of the contactor, which we put inside and close the contactor. Here, of course, we didn't put the spring inside. We will open it again. We place the spring like this. In this way, you can use it now. One last thing you need to know about these contactors. This is you should you should choose a conductor according to your needs or load, and it should not be less or more than the load requirement. Because if it is less than the load, the power circuit will head up, and there is a possibility is of burning. If you choose more than the load, you have spent in VA. It is better to choose the conductor according to your needs. If you have any question about this conductor, ask in the comment. In the next video, I will explain to you about this short circuit ring. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.